All right. If you've never used AI tools before and want to try Gamma AI, don't worry. This beginner guide will walk you through everything step by step. No experience needed. First, go to Gamma and sign up using your email or Google account. Yeah, it only takes a minute to get started. Once you log in, you'll see the main dashboard. This is where you create and manage your projects. Click Create New and choose what you want to make: presentation, document, or web page. Now type your topic or idea. Something simple like study tips or business ideas. Click Generate, and Gamma will automatically create content for you. Yeah, it organizes everything into clean sections. Now review and edit your content. You can change text, adjust layout, or add more details easily. You can also add images, icons, or videos to make your content more engaging. Finally, export your project or share it using a link. Yeah, it's ready to use right away. And yeah, that's how beginners can start using Gamma AI. It's simple, fast, and a great way to create content without experience.